Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you what is Ecwid e-commerce. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Ecwid e-commerce is regarded as one of the top e-commerce platforms for launching an online business. At Ecwid, they have crafted the platform to be the simplest, fastest, and most robust solution for small businesses like yours to start selling online. This platform has received numerous awards, showcasing its excellence. With Ecwid, you can sell your products everywhere, from any location to anyone, all from one central platform. They offer marketing tools that are so user-friendly, they will make professional ad agencies blush. Whether you have a hobby, a side hustle, or some thrifting skills, Ecwid can help turn your ideas into profitable ventures in no time. Ecwid's power lies in its versatility. When you're ready, connect your store to Facebook to reach its massive user base of 2 billion active users. You can also sell products through Instagram using shoppable tags, or expand your reach by connecting your store to other sales channels like Google Shopping, Amazon, and more. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.